Installation of slatted panels on the terrace roof. At first, one should ensure an 8mm ventilation slot between the slatted panels. If desired, the roof trusses can be painted black in these parts before installing the slatted panels. The length of a slatted panel is 300 centimeters. When installing alone, it is advised to use an L-shaped bracket as an aid, which is attached to the roof truss using a clamp. One end of the panel is placed on the bracket, making it easier to attach the screws at the other end. The panels are supplied with black fastening screws, which would hardly stand out from the black background. When installing alone, the work would also be easier when pre-fastening the screws to the panel. The slatted panel installed on the roof has no tongues at all. When installing the panels, 8mm feeler gauges are used on the long sides due to hygroscopic changes in the wood. 3mm feeler gauges are used at the ends of the panels instead. The normal distance between the roof trusses is 90 centimeters. Lengthwise division of the panels occurs seldom evenly, so in order to minimize waste, you can use the supplied extension pieces if necessary. They have pre-drilled holes for the slat division of the panel, so the alignment of the screws is always correct. Deliveries include clear screws for extension pieces. Always screw the extension piece to the panel first and then install it in place. Thus it is easy to screw the next panel to the extension piece. Remember to use 3mm and 8mm feeler gauges as aids to keep the distances even from the beginning to the end of the roof installation. Additional information about our products can be found on our website.